Today topic is how to calculate mole of compound. So what is mole? Mole is defined as the mass in grams of substance that is numerically equal to its molecular weight. From definition we can write formula of mole as mole of compound A is equal to weight of A divided by molecular weight of A. So, अगर हमें कंपाउंड A के मोल कैलकुलेट करने हैं तो हमें कंपाउंड A के जितने वेट को मोल में कन्वर्ट करना है वो वेट और उसका मोलेक्यूलर वेट पता होना चाहिए. Now molecular weight of any compound is the sum of the atomic weights of atoms that constitute a molecule of a compound. यानी कोई भी कंपाउंड जितने एटम्स से बना है उन सब एटम के एटॉमिक वेट की सम यानी मॉलिक्यूलर वेट. लास्ट वीडियो में मैंने मॉलिक्यूलर वेट कैसे कैलकुलेट करते हैं वो डिटेल में बताया है. उसका लिंक डिस्क्रिप्शन बॉक्स में दिया है. नाउ लेट्स सॉल्व सम एग्जांपल. फाइंड द मोल्स ऑफ ऑक्सीजन प्रेजेंट इन 500 ग्राम ऑफ ऑक्सीजन. तो पहले हम गिवन डेटा लिखते हैं. सो गिवन इज weight of oxygen is equal to 500 gram. As we know the formula of mole as mole of oxygen is equal to weight of oxygen divided by molecular weight of oxygen. So, from this formula we can see that to calculate mole we should know weight of oxygen, which is given in example, and the molecular weight. Now let's calculate molecular weight. So molecular weight of oxygen is equal to 2 into 16, which is equal to 32. Now let's put these values in formula of mole. So mole of oxygen is equal to 500 divided by 32, which is equal to 15.62. In this way, we can calculate mole of oxygen from given weight of oxygen. Now next example. Convert 84 gram of carbon monoxide into mole of carbon monoxide. So given is weight of carbon monoxide is equal to 84 gram. As we know the formula of mole is mole of carbon monoxide is equal to weight of carbon monoxide divided by molecular weight of carbon monoxide. The weight of carbon monoxide is given in example. Now let's calculate molecular weight. So molecular weight of carbon monoxide is equal to 28. Now let's put these values in formula of mole. So mole of carbon monoxide is equal to 84 divided by 28, which is equal to 3. So we get that mole of carbon monoxide is 3. Now next example. Convert 499 gram CuSO4 into moles. So given is weight of CuSO4 is equal to 499 gram. As we know formula of mole is mole of CuSO4 is equal to weight of CuSO4 divided by molecular weight of CuSO4. Now let's calculate molecular weight. Hence we get molecular weight of CuSO4 is equal to 249.5. Now let's put these values in formula. So we get mole of CuSO4 is equal to 499 divided by 249.5. So we get answer 2 moles. Hence the answer is 2 moles. Now, next example. How many kilograms of ethane are there in 210 kilomole? So given is kilomole of ethane is equal to 210. As we know formula of mole is mole of ethane is equal to weight of ethane divided by molecular weight of ethane. Now let's calculate molecular weight. So molecular weight of ethane is equal to 30. Now let's put these values in formula. So we get mole of ethane is equal to 210 is equal to weight of ethane divided by 30. We can write this as weight of ethane is equal to 210 into 30. After solving this, we get answer as 6300 kg. Hence the answer is 6300 kg. So, in this way, we can calculate mole of any compound from its given weight, or from given mole, we can calculate its weight. If you like my video, please press the like button and subscribe my channel.